way to capital.
This bitter man, yes.
Are you a rock star?
Nope.
What are you?
I'm just a schmuck.
Okay, hi everyone. We're on our way to capital. Do you want to get see in the camera?
No, thank you. I'm shy.
What is that?
The price of liberty. This memorial is dedicated to Texas military members and their families who answered their country's call.
Can we get closer? I wanna film it. Okay.
You want to take selfie?
Sure.
Do you have your selfie stick?
No, but I can use. I didn't bring it, but we can use this, and then like we can
Is
just.
this for video and for pictures?
Yeah. Okay guys, papasok na tayo. Sobrang lamig. I didn't bring coat. I should bring coat.
I will keep you warm. Don't worry.
Thank you, baby.
Isn't it a nice park?
It's so pretty.
If we had a dog, it would be nice to run our dog.
Yeah. I can't be able to zoom the camera. Sorry guys, because I'm using a GoPro. It's just a wide camera and easy to carry. Hi. Is this your first time in here? Or you've been here many times? Oh, I want to take a picture in here.
I've been here a long time ago, but it's been a long time. So baby, I am glad that you decided that you want to come so that I can come again.
Yeah. I want to take a picture in here. Okay. We're getting closer, guys. Oh my god. It's so big.
Do you want to read this statue?
Yeah, sure. What it says?
Texas Brigade Army of Northern Virginia, Confederate States. First.
So, di ko alam kung ano to. It says here, erected by comrades. So, another statue here, and we're gonna take a picture. How come you didn't take me in here before?
We did. We're here before tomorrow.
The music is stuck in my head.
Do you see the light of the torch?
Yep. So what do you call that thing on the top? Torch?
Torch, yeah. Or you can scan and listen on your phone.
Okay. Wow. What?
Do you see the crack in the star?
Mm-hmm.
There's a story behind the crack in the star.
What is the story, do you know?
he fell all the way from there to here, and he died.
That's why there's a crack?
That's why there's a crack.
Wow.
And it's still there.
Star. So where are we going next?
To pee.
Go pee.
This is the House of Representatives on the second floor of the Capitol.
Can we go in there?
It's locked.
Can't. I'm giving you guys a tour here in Capitol.
Huh?
No, I'm talking to camera. Remember, I'm vlogging. So, there's another of governors in here.
Yeah, from
So, long time ago. That's a lot.
Ferguson movie.
The only I know is George Bush. And that's a Senate chamber. So ito ang mga senators. Guys. What is that?
This is the Senate chamber on the second floor of the Capitol.
What they do in there? It's like
I'm not going to tell you.
why? You have to tell me so that they know. So that my viewers, they will know. Ito na yung last floor, guys. Oh my god. This is like an exercise.
Yeah. That's why we get out of the house.
Yeah. Last floor. Kind of dark. No, it's not. There's another stair. But we can't go.
Maybe, yeah.
There's more.
It's blocked. You can't go.
But we can't go because it's high and dangerous for the people. Oh my god, I don't want to see. Well, like, we're both scared. Oh my god, look at that, guys.
That's scary.
It's scary. Yep, it's scary. In here. Okay, there's more governors. But these are, no, it's not.
Yeah.
It's a governors? Oh, but
Henry Smith was the provisional governor of Texas in 1835.
it's hard to see. Okay, there. These people, like really long time ago, kauna-unahang governor. Oh, this one is president from 1841. Ito itsura niya. And president from 1846. Governor from 1847. I feel like I know him. I feel like I saw him in a movie.
He looks like Abraham Lincoln without a beard.
And shy type governor. Because it's just in the side. And this one, 1849, he looks mad.
Oh yeah, he's very upset. I love how you're putting thoughts in these poor.
This
one?
is like friendly. Looks
Friendly?
friendly, yeah, because look, his picture, he's smiling.
His last name is Peas.
Oh.
Maybe that's why.
He has a peace of mind.
A peace of mind.
I know.
Let's go.
So this is for the people that tours here. This is the last floor. Why you're smiling? We're going down. That's all.
Are you getting that?
Yeah,
It's pretty, huh?
it's so pretty. Take hold the camera and then I'm gonna stand in here.